Okay, so today we are doing the 44 sounds of Standard English. I'm going to pronounce the word, then say the word. I'm going to start with consonants. Bat, which is bat. Dog, dog. Fish, fish. Goat, goat. House, house. Jam, jam. Kite, kite. Leaf, leaf. Mitten, mitten. Nest, nest. Pig, pig. Rabbit, rabbit. Sock, sock. Table, table. Valentine, Valentine. Wagon, wagon. Yarn, yarn. Zipper, zipper. Chair, chair. Ship, ship. Explosion, explosion. Thimble, thimble. Mother, mother. Whistle, whistle. King, king. Um, okay, so now it's on to the vowels. So I'm going to say the regular letter. So for egg, 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 which is cake. Athlete, eat, athlete. Five, five. Rope, rope, rope. Cube, cube. Apple, apple. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Igloo. Octopus, octopus. Umbrella. Alarm, alarm, which is alarm. Fork, bird. Star, star. Call, out, out. Moon, moon.